Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to transfer file Insta3 to computer. Are you looking for a quick guide how to transfer files Insta3 to computer? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, we are now in Insta360 and their support page. It says here it's file transfer. You can download X3's files to your phone or PC, then use the Insta360 app or Insta360 Studio to edit and export. So they have a tutorial there, but no, you're going to watch this tutorial. So the steps is to download files from X3 to the Insta360 app. Download files from X3 to your PC. Transfer files between the Insta360 app and your Windows PC. Transfer files between the Insta360 app and your Mac. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.